we are back with another video. So today we are just going to unbox this new Note 5 which is from the Xiaomi. They just recently released this cell phone and it's available in UAE. So let's just start the unboxing of this one. Before going to unbox, this is the configuration. This model comes in two different versions, 3GB and 32GB memory. Right now we got this 4GB 64GB memory. So let's start the video. So this is the phone. Build quality wise it's good. They use the same concept of the iPhone. They use the same structure of the camera. They have two different lenses for the camera, and this is a flashlight, fingerprint sensor, and it comes with the US plug charger, and the cable they are using the micro USB still, and this is a pin to just open the SIM card slot. They are using the nano SIM card slot in this one. So let's just turn on the device. We will just remove this plastic so we can see the quality of the screen. So this is the main screen of the cell phone. Let's see the operations of this one. First go to the settings. Let's see the configuration of the cell phone. Comes with the Android version 8.1. MIUI global version is 9.5. It comes with a quad-core max 1.8 GHz processor, 4GB memory, 64GB memory in this, and comes in a black version. So they use the same concept of the iPhone. They use the two different cameras like a dual lenses with a flashlight, fingerprint sensor, volume controller, and these are the main things. 3.5mm jack, micro USB port, and speakers. Camera wise, they have different features. Right now most of the Xiaomi cell phones, they don't have like a low-end cell phones, they don't have a portrait function, but in this one they gave short videos. If somebody want to take the short videos, panorama and manual. If someone know how to take the photography, if they want to change the lightning and ISO, so they can use this one. Build quality wise it's good. Xiaomi work really hard on a Note 5, and price wise it's available in a local market. It's around 690 dirhams. It comes with the global version in 690. If you want to buy the cell phone, the link is inside the description. You can buy from our website, and if you want to buy from the Amazon, it's also available there. And if you guys like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos, and if you think this video is informative, you can share, and if you have any kind of questions about the cell phone, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.